1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wow. Boom. Yo, Dad, what are you making today?
We're making pears, peaches, cottage cheese, puree.
Ooh, okay, let's see it.
Let's do it. Now that we have it all blended, so now we have to bring it to a correct thicket consistency. So it's nice and thick where it doesn't run. See the juice is running up? Well, that's not accurate. That's not correct to do it. So we're just gonna add thicket a little bit at a time. But we want to absorb. We want the thicket to absorb that running liquid. Got it? Thicket, so it doesn't run off the spoon. And you flick it, and it's perfection. All right, now let's clean this up. Your job, and let's do peaches. How about that?
Okay.
All right. Ready for the peaches?
Let's see it.
Let's puree them. Remember to always use plenty enough so you cover the bottom of the blade. This way it purees correctly. You know, if not, you're gonna have to be stopping it and starting and stopping and starting. So here we go. Okay, peaches are puree. Now we're gonna add the thicket. Now, as you see, peaches are a little bit runnier than the pears, so we might have to use a little more thicket, but that's okay. It doesn't add any flavor, so it changes anything, correct? It just makes it thicker. Well, let's see if it is perfect. There we go, perfection. Whoop, flick it. That's all you need. That's all you want. That's what you're looking for, okay? And lastly, the cottage cheese. Let's see. There we go. Okay, AB, cottage cheese, not thicket whatsoever. Perfect. Okay, let's put it together. Let's see if your whole puree, pears, peaches, and cottage cheese will look, my puree will look as good as yours.
Let's see it.
Are you challenged?
Let's see
Are you
it.
challenged?
I am a little challenged.
Oh, okay, let's do it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Wow. Boom. Well, let's see it compared to the other plate.
All right, let's see.
So as you can see,
Oh, we're having the wrong.
my plate, and then this is puree plate. Let's try it out.
Let's try it out.
What you want me to do first?
Let's do a puree. I mean, you're not a puree person, meaning you're not, you know, in that type of diet.
I like
right.
it. It's good breakfast. I like it.
All right, that's enough. That's good. That's good. That's good. Can I use a fork for this? Of course I can. It doesn't matter.
No.
Fork or spoon can be used for both.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Well, that's it.
That's it. So if you like what you see, hit the button below, subscribe, follow us.
Should I hit like too, or should they dislike it?
Hit the like first.
Hit like first, and you can dislike it after.
Then you can, but just follow us.
Peace.
Peace.
You really just gobble it down, don't you?
I love this shit.